Hey startup devs, want your game app to pop off? I'm from AiToolslink, and today we've got 8 AI tools for 2025 that will seriously boost your game dev process. If you're aiming to create the next big hit in mobile gaming, you need the right tech behind you. Stay tuned because Tool 5 is lit. Let's dive in and get your game on the fast track to success. Tool number 1, Playable Worlds. AI feature, game AI logic and world building. Benefit, save time on world building, create dynamic game worlds. Are you looking to develop expansive game worlds but don't have the resources for endless manual labor? Playable Worlds AI is your solution. This AI tool creates vast, interactive environments and characters, giving you the building blocks to create immersive worlds faster than ever. Imagine designing intricate worlds that feel alive with just a few clicks. You can focus on the gameplay and storyline, while this tool handles the complexity of the environment. Faster world building? Check. Tool number 2, Deep Motion Feature, AI-powered motion capture. Benefit, realistic animations without a studio. We all know how crucial smooth animations are in gaming, right? With Deep Motion, you can get lifelike character movements without needing an expensive motion capture studio. Simply upload your video footage, and the AI will map out realistic motions for your characters. This saves tons of time and resources for small dev teams, giving you that AAA game polish while keeping your costs low. Tool number 3, ChatGPT for game dialogue. Feature, AI text generation. Benefit, dynamic, realistic dialogue creation. Stay for Tool 3, because this one's a game changer. ChatGPT can generate natural-sounding dialogue for your game characters, helping you craft unique conversations without writer's block. Whether you're creating branching storylines or quirky NPCs, ChatGPT can help you create dialogue that feels fresh and engaging. Plus, it's a massive time saver, letting you focus on other parts of your game development. Tool number 4, Unity ML Agents. Feature, AI training for game agents. Benefit, smarter, adaptive gameplay. Unity ML Agents allows you to integrate machine learning into your games to create smarter NPCs and game agents. These agents learn from player actions, adapting their behavior to provide a more challenging and immersive experience. Whether you're developing an RPG or a fast-paced action game, this tool will give you AI characters that react intelligently to players. Need smarter enemies or companions? Unity ML Agents got you covered. Tool number 5, Runway ML Feature Creative. AI for visual effects. Benefit, stunning visuals in less time. All right, Tool 5 is lit. If you want your game to stand out visually, Runway ML is the secret weapon. This AI tool helps you create stunning visual effects, realistic lighting, and even unique art styles in no time. It uses generative models that allow you to create jaw-dropping graphics with little manual effort. Whether you want to add a touch of realism or go for a completely unique visual style, Runway ML's AI can do it for you. Fast visuals, high-quality output, what's not to love? Tool number 6, AI Dungeon. Feature, AI-generated adventure paths. Benefit, unique game narratives every time. Want to create a game with infinite replay value? AI Dungeon's AI can generate endless adventure paths and branching narratives for your games. Whether you're building a narrative-driven RPG or a sandbox game, AI Dungeon will help you generate unique storylines, quests, and dialogues that adapt to the player's choices. It's perfect for games where player freedom and choice are at the heart of the experience. Get ready for endless storytelling possibilities. Tool number 7, Promethean AI Feature. AI-assisted environment design. Benefit, faster and more creative environment design. When it comes to creating game environments, Promethean AI is a must-have tool. It helps you design and populate game worlds faster by using AI to assist with environmental design, from terrain shaping to asset placement. You'll save hours of tedious work while also ensuring that your game world feels rich and alive. Promethean AI allows you to generate complex environments that are both beautiful and functional, just the way you want them. Tool number 8, SoundRaw. Feature, AI-generated music. Benefit, custom soundtracks without a composer. Last, but certainly not least, SoundRaw is a fantastic AI tool for generating custom music for your game. You don't need a composer or royalty-free tracks when you have SoundRaw. This AI creates original music tailored to the mood, style, and vibe of your game. Whether you need intense battle music or a relaxing background score, SoundRaw can create the perfect soundtrack in minutes. No more worrying about licensing, just seamless original music. That's all for today's list of 8 AI tools that will level up your game app development in 2025. These tools are game changers for startup devs looking to build innovative, high-quality mobile games. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're using these AI-powered tools to streamline your workflow and create hits faster. Don't forget to subscribe to AiToolslink for more amazing content like this. And hey, drop your game ideas in the comments below. We want to hear what you're working on. Catch you next time.